welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of abstract art trees. If you love nature and art, you're in for a treat. We'll explore unique techniques to capture the essence of each season through color and texture. Let's get started. Segment 1, Spring Trees. First up is spring. This season is all about renewal and vibrancy. For our spring tree, we'll use bright greens and soft pastels. Segment 2, Summer Trees. Next, let's celebrate summer. This season bursts with life and energy. For our summer tree, we'll use bold greens and hints of deep blue. Layer your colors to create depth. Try using a palette knife to add texture and movement, representing the rustling leaves under the sun. Segment 3, Autumn Trees. Now, onto autumn, one of the most beautiful times of the year. For this tree, we'll focus on warm oranges, reds, and browns. Use short, sweeping strokes to create a canopy of falling leaves. Adding gold or copper highlights can give your artwork a shimmering effect, capturing the sunlight. Segment 4, Winter Trees. Finally, let's depict winter, a time of quiet beauty. Here, we'll use cool blues and whites. A more minimalist approach works well. Think bare branches against a soft, snowy background. You can use a dry brush technique to create delicate, frosty textures. Conclusion, host, and there you have it, 4 seasons, for stunning abstract trees. Remember, the beauty of art lies in your personal expression, so feel free to experiment with colors and techniques. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own seasonal trees in the comments below. We can't wait to see your creations. Until next time, keep creating and celebrating nature through art. Abstract Art Trees, inspiring nature-inspired creations for art lovers. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature with our latest video on creating abstract art trees. This tutorial is perfect for nature lovers and aspiring artists alike, offering a fresh perspective on how to capture the essence of trees through abstract art.